guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what I packed for my cruise. And before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe, and now let's get on to the video. So first we're going to start with bottoms. So for my bottoms, I brought these cream bottoms from American Eagle because they're really cute and super comfy. And then I also brought two other pairs of jean shorts. They're all the same cut, just different colors. So this is my light color and my darker denim color. And they're all super comfy. It literally feels like so comfy because they have like the elastic in the back. So it literally doesn't even feel like jean shorts, it just feels like normal shorts. And they're super comfy. Next off, I brought these little sporty shorts because there's a ropes course on our cruise. And they're good for like working out and athletic stuff, so I thought they would be good for the ropes course. Next, I brought these really cute yellow flowy shorts because they're super comfy and they're really summery and cute, and we're going to Italy, Malta, and Greece. So I felt like these would be a really cute thing to wear on like short excursions or just around the beaches or the cruise. So I thought these would be really cute. And then finally, I have this skirt right here, and it's green. It's really cute. It's kind of like a skirt, kind of almost, and then it has built-in shorts that are like super flowy, and it's really cute and really comfy, and that's what I packed for bottoms. Okay, so next up, I'm going to show you what I brought in terms of dresses. Because I only bought two, but there's some fancy restaurants, and sometimes it's just fun to wear like a nice little sundress. So this is my first dress. It's super comfy and cute. I'm all about comfy clothes because I love being comfy. Who doesn't? And it's kind of like a really cute plaid like pattern with some cute like bright colors, and it has an opening in the back. And I really love this dress. It's one of my all-time favorite dresses. And then I also brought this floral dress right here, and it's super cute, and I absolutely love it. I wore it to the Lion King recently because I went to go see that, and it was really comfy and cute, and it just makes me feel happy, and it makes me feel really pretty. It's all floral and pink's my favorite color, and that's what I packed for dresses. Now we're moving on to shirts, and this is the first one. It says choose kindness, and it's a really cute sunny yellow and goes really well with a bunch of greens, with my green shorts and stuff like that, and I really like it. Next, I have my seashell shirt, and it has a bunch of seashells and the different names, and I felt like it was very like beachy, cruisy, and it's super comfy, and I love hanging out in it, so that would be good. Next up, we have this shirt, and I really love it. It says bloom where you're planted, and I think it's a really cute message, and there's a bunch of flowers and insects on it, and it's just a really cute shirt, and it goes with a lot of stuff, so I brought that for that reason. And then I have this shirt just because it's comfy, and it's like a backup shirt in case I want to wear it one day or something. It says respect your mother and each other with a little earth for the O and mother, so I really like it, and I love like the environment and helping out and like spreading climate change awareness. So this is one of my favorite shirts, and make sure to recycle. And next we have my little Nashville shirt, which is super cute, and I got it like a couple days ago, and it says Nashville, Music City, USA, and I really like it, and it's super cute, and I just like how vibrant it is, and it's kind of like, I don't really have many other shirts that are kind of this vibe, so it's a nice little change of scenery. Next, I have my Six shirt, and Six is one of the musicals that is being performed on the cruise, and we're going to see it, and I saw it in London over spring break. So here's my little Six shirt I'm going to wear to the show. Next, I have this shirt, which is one of my favorite shirts as well. I got it from Old Navy, and it says spread positivity, cultivate kindness, and it has a really cute little flower in the middle, and I love it because it's just like cute, easy, and goes with a lot of stuff. Then I have a very similar shirt, same color, and it says sun-kissed on it, and it's really cute. This is my absolute favorite shirt. I'm definitely wearing it to Malta, and I love wearing it to the beach and all that stuff, and when I'm going out walking in sunshine, because it makes me feel like very sun vibes, and I love it because it's just like very like chill, like sun kissed. So I really like it. And then I have this shirt, which is just, again, it's my all-time favorite comfy shirt. It says Radiate Kindness, and I love this shirt with all my heart because it's so comfy and so cute. And I just like wear it around sometimes, but I probably won't be wearing this to like go on excursions or anything, just around the cruise ship. And it's really comfy and very cool. Like, it's a very light material. Then I have this shirt, which I'm going to have to unfold it for a second. And I just recently got this. It says Summer Fun, and it's a nice big t-shirt. And I thought it would be like a really cute change of scenery kind of for also my closet, because I have a lot of like big design shirts and small design shirts, and I want kind of like a simple design on my whole t-shirt. So it's also really cute because I like the colors and it feels very beachy, cruisy vibes. And then we have this shirt, which is my last like normal shirt, and it says Think Kind Thoughts. Wait, hold on. Is that what it says? Yeah. That's what I thought it said, but I love, I don't know if you can already tell, but I really like positive, happy shirts. And this is really cute. It goes with a lot of stuff. And it's like, and it has lots of pops of color, but it's also not like overwhelming color. And then I have this little like crop top. I don't wear too many crop tops, but I had this like really cute little daisy crop top I got right here, and it's really cute with my jean shorts. And that's what I brought from shirts. And if you're wondering where I got most of these from, most of my clothes are from American Eagle, Target, and Old Navy, and Aerie. So, yeah. Okay, so next for pajamas, I brought 3 pairs-ish. So I have this like one really big t-shirt. Sometimes I'll wear to bed, but I usually don't wear it. It's just kind of like a backup. And it's just really comfy, so sometimes I'll just lounge around in it. That's why I kind of count it as like half PJs. So put it over there. And then for my actual full-on PJs, I have this really cute set I got from Walmart. And this is the top for it. And it has little ice cream cones and popsicles on it. And I got matching bottoms, and they're super, super cute and comfy and cool. And I wore them to sleepaway camp when I went on this mission trip. Like a mission trip I went on with some of my friends, and they were super cool, so I really liked them because they're super lightweight and comfy. And this is my favorite pajamas I've ever owned. Then I have these really cute star pajamas, same cut, but just different pattern. And I really like the neon like greenish yellow lining on these. And then I also have the matching bottoms for these, and they're super cute. And then I have, for sleep stuff, accessories, I have this really nice sleep mask right here. It has like silk right here. It's all fuzzy on the outside, and it's like lightweight, and it doesn't like squeeze your head, like it doesn't hurt your head. And then I also have this sleeping scrunchie that goes with it, and that's what I brought for stuff to go to bed in. Okay, so next up, I'm going to show you what bathing suits I brought. So first, I just brought my swim team bathing suit in case I just like wanted as like kind of like a backup and just like for kind of swimming in the pool like normally. And it's pretty worn out, but it's just like purple with some designs on it, and it's really comfy. And then for kind of more just like lounging, not as much like playing in the pool, I have just kind of like hanging out in the pool or just going to the beach. I have this bathing suit I got right here from Old Navy, and it's really cute because it has kind of like a keyhole right here. And it's a one piece, and it has a little bow right here, and it's super comfy. This is the back, and I really like it because it's just like really cute bathing suit. And sometimes you just want to have like a cute bathing suit on while you're relaxing by the pool, and that's one of my favorite bathing suits to just like chill in by the pool in. And it's really comfy, so it's double score, comfy and cute. And that's what I brought for bathing suits. So next I'm going to show you my last couple accessory kind of things, my miscellaneous stuff. So first I brought a bunch of socks. They're by Puma, and they're super comfy, and I really like them because they have this little, like, not sticky, but kind of like grip thing on the back of your heels, so it doesn't like slide down when you're wearing them. And I brought mostly neutral colors and one kind of blue color, and that's what I brought for socks. They're like for normal socks with my tennis shoes, and then just to wear around, I brought my bee socks because I'm a beekeeper and I love bees, and they're super comfy and soft, and they're just really cute. And then for my hats kind of thing, for my headwear, I brought this little bandana because I love using them as like little headbands or just like using it because it's really cute. And I love bandanas so much because they're so versatile. You can wear them as like normal bandanas, headbands, roll them up, do whatever you want with them. And they're super lightweight and easy to travel with. And then I brought my favorite dog person hat. And I love dogs. I'm a big dog person. I have one dog at home. Her name's Lily. And it's a super cute color. It's lightweight. And I thought this would be just a cute thing to bring to protect myself from the sun. And it's really cute because on the inside it said like bark less, wag more. And it's really cute. And I thought that was a really cute little detail on the inside of the hat. And that's what I brought for accessories and socks. So now I'm going to show you what I brought for shoes. So first I brought my old worn out tennis shoes. I also brought some sneaker balls, so you just put them in your sneakers after you're done wearing them, and then it makes them like not smell. So you just rotate them, and then you just pop them in. So they're super useful and small and good to travel with. So I like bringing those different places. Then I got this new set of tennis shoes that I'm really excited about, and they're really comfy. They're also by Puma. I love Puma's like footwear, and they're super comfy. It feels like you're walking on a cloud. Like literally, I can't even stress this to you enough. Like it's so comfy. So I'm really excited to wear these. And then I also brought my cloud shoes. I love my cloud shoes. They're so comfy and they're really fun to just like walk around, and they literally feel like you're walking on clouds. And then I brought my flip-flops because who doesn't love a good pair of flip-flops? And I'm a big flip-flop person, so I love flip-flops. And also they're just like the perfect thing to wear by the pool. And I love like the sparkliness and like the ombre. So that's what I brought for shoes. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what I have for accessories. So first up, I have this fan right here, and it's really small and portable, and I got at a barbecue competition because my dad's a professional barbecue, so shout out to you, Dad. And I have a bunch of free stuff from barbecue competitions, and it's just really cute, little retractable right here. It has a little handle. You can even pop the blade off and put it right here to make it even smaller to carry around, so it's really useful. Then I have my little favorite little purse right here I got from Bath & Body Works because my mom is obsessed with Bath & Body Works. So we go there like at least once a week. So I have these sunglasses I got from Walmart on a mission trip. And they're really cute and actually really comfy. And I got them for like $8. And then I got this with one of my best friends from Hawaii. We got this at like a Claire's or something when she like came back to the mainland. So that was really fun. Then I brought this claw clip right here. Then I brought some like Vaseline lip gloss. I mean, not lip gloss, lip balm. And then some Balm.com by Glacier. I love that stuff. It smells so good. Then I brought some fidgets. I brought these little things, which are super fun. My mom got them for me, and they're like little rings that are magnetic. And I brought like a fidget cube, too, because they're super fun. And then I also have a random Starbucks gift card in here. So that's what I brought for my purse. Then I brought this headband for skincare and stuff like that. I also have a friendship bracelet in here. And then I just brought some like hair stuff like claw clips, hair ties, scrunchies, everything like that is in there. Then I brought my iPad. And then I brought 2 stuffed animals because they're comfy and just remind me of home. So this is Winnie the Pooh. I got him at Disney last time I went. And this is my stuffed dog, Kara, I got when I was 6 in Canada. So I like them because I also like bringing stuffed animals on trips because I like stuffed animals, but also I just kind of like make the room kind of more yourself and make them kind of more personalized. And then I also brought this big squishy right here. It's little s'mores. It's one of my favorites. And I brought this. I brought a lot of fidgets. I brought this Thousand Silk mud and it's so fun. It's like very silky. It's not like sticky or anything. And then I brought my earbuds. And I also brought 2 packs of clothes for Winnie the Pooh because I never opened them. And I was like, why not bring them on the cruise? Maybe I want to put them on Winnie the Pooh. And then I grabbed these two hand sanitizers that I got at Bath and Body Works, and then this little squishy thing I also got on my mission trip, and then my little makeup bag, because sometimes you just want to do your makeup and feel pretty. And yeah, that's all that I brought in there. And then I have a portable charger and a pencil and a little journal to write down stuff for my experiences, because it's my first cruise. And I hope you guys really enjoyed the video, and again, don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and there will be more cruise videos coming out soon from this cruise, and more travel videos, more fun videos, more shorts, so make sure to stay tuned, and I hope you have a great day. Bye! Thank you so much!